This cat is so lovely, but she only like me. And what does that mean when she lay on you? She always lay on me. What does that mean, guys? What do you think? What mean? Burr, burr, burr. Did you eat all your food? Huh? Did you eat all your food? Did you? Are you leaving it for Poopsie and Grayson? You took all your food over there. Yeah? Oh, say bye.